Secret admiration. In the quiet corners of my heart, a secret blooms, a hidden art. Every glance, every smile. I cherish them though it's been a while. I ask you often, what do you feel? You say you love me, but it's not real. Just a friend, you say with ease. But my heart beats faster, it never ceases. I thought it was just admiration, a fleeting crush, a simple sensation. But now I know it's something more. A love that's deep, a feeling I adore. Your laughter, your voice, your gentle touch. They mean so much, perhaps too much. I hide my feelings, keep them inside. Afraid to lose you, afraid to confide. You see me as a friend, nothing more. But my heart aches, my soul is sore. I wish I could tell you, make you see, that my love for you is pure, it's free. I thought it was just a passing pace, but now I know it's love that stays in your presence. My heart skips a beat. In your absence, I feel incomplete. I ask you again, hoping you'll change, but your answer remains, feels so strange. Is it fear that holds you back? Or do you truly not see the track? I thought it was just admiration, a simple crush, a brief infatuation. But now I know it's love so true, a love that grows, a love for you. So here I am with a heart so full, hoping one day you'll feel the fool, that you'll see me not just as a friend, but as a love that will never end.